Hi everybody, Ben from Out and About. Today I'm just going to do a quick review on this pocket brew kit that I've got. So it consists of a nice wax cotton canvas pouch. Open it up. The first part of the brew kit is a Polymath Products stealth kit. So it comes with these two little straps. Take those off. It comes with 3 pieces of windshield and then a shelf. I don't bother using the shelf, but you can do if you want to use an Examine tablet, you can put it on there. So first thing is clip all this together, them 2 pieces like that, this one into there, and then last into there. So that's your windshield part of the stove. Second part of the stove is one that I made myself. So this is just a little metal makeup tin. You can get them off Amazon for about £10. Unscrew the top, open it up. Inside here I've put in loft insulation, which when set on fire will not melt, and then the top part here is just a metal mesh. So what we do, we get us methylated spirits, pour a nice amount in, move that out of the way so I don't set it on fire. We then get our trusty lighter. There we go, that's the light. Get our windshield, put it on top. Perfect little stealth stove this. Then get our Pathfinder water bottle. Put in the desired amount for a brew. Put that on top. And there you go, that's it. Works perfectly. Should take about 5 or 6 minutes to boil up. If you've got any tin foil on you can make a small windshield, but I've found that in light breezes it doesn't really get blown out. The stove does a pretty good job of protecting it from the wind. So I hope you all enjoy that little review.